Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we are going to calculate the volume and surface area of this prism. So let's get started. So having this prism, the first thing to do is to write the formula of volume of the prism. So we are asked to calculate the volume. So volume equals to base area times the height. So that's the formula for volume. So the next thing to do is to identify the base area of this prism. So for all prism, the base is the side that are the same, or the first that is the same, identical. So we have this face, and this other face here will be practically the same with the same dimension. So this will be our base. So let's calculate the base area first. So if this is our base with all the given dimension, so we can separate them into rectangles. So this will be a rectangle. So we are going to have 3 rectangles. Okay, so so this is what we're going to have as rectangle, this rectangle, and this is another one. So we are going to calculate the area of all of them, and we sum them together in order to get the base area. So 1.4 times 0.2 will give us 0.28. Then here we have, and also here is the same. So we have 1.4 times 0.2. It will also give us 0.28. Then lastly, we have this section, which is made up of 0.2 times 0.6. So this will give us 0.12. So if we add them all together, so if we need to add 0.28 plus 0.12 plus 0.28 as well, so if we add them up together, we are going to get our base area will be equals to 0.68. So that's the base area. So we can proceed with the volume. Volume equals to base area times the height. So what the next question is, what is the height of this prism? So if we can see for the base, we use all this dimension except this. So this part is the height of the prism. So we can see 2.3, 2.3. So this will be the height of the prism, which is practically the same. So which is 2.3. So we are going to have 0.68 times our height, which is 2.3. So if we multiply them together, we are going to get the volume will be equals to 1.564 centimeter cube. That's the unit for volume. Okay, so next let's move on with the surface area. So to calculate the surface area, let us not forget that we have the base area already. No need for us to calculate it again. So the base area that we had, 0.68. So to calculate the surface area, it's preferable for us to start by writing the formula. So to write the formula of surface area, so this is the prism. So you can as well use this formula for surface area for all prism. 2 times base area plus perimeter of the base times the height. This formula is very accurate, so it's very difficult for you to make mistake with this formula. But we know the base area already, right? So we can proceed. So we are going to get surface area 2 times base area, 2 times base area, 2 times 0.68 plus next thing to do is to calculate the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base is the sum of all the distance around this compound shape. So we need to add all the distance, and that will give us the perimeter. So we have 0.2. So it's the sum of the outer space. So if here we had 0.2 in the diagram, we can see here is 0.2. So this distance inside here is also 0.2. So but we are not going to use it because it's internal. It's the sum of the outermost faces of side of the triangle. So if we complete this other dimension, so we are going to get, if all of this is 1.4, this is 1.2, so this other section, this is 1.4, and if this is 0.2, so this will be 0.6 and 0.6, which is 1.2 plus this will give us 1.4. So here is 0.6. So here we are going to have 0.6, 0.6. Yes, also 0.6, 0.6 as well, 0.6. So now we have all our dimensions. This is 0.2. So we need to add all of them. This plus this plus this plus all of this. So if we add all of this dimension, is going to, you can try to do it to check it, is going to give us 7.2 centimeter. So the perimeter of the base is 7.2. If we add all of this, it will give us 7.2 centimeter. So if we continue with our formula, 7.2, which is the perimeter of the base times the height, so we are going to get 7.2 times the height, which is 2.3. So if we multiply these times 2 and also this, so this 2 times 0.68 will give us 1.36 plus 7.2 times 2.3 will give us 16.56. If we add them together, we are going to have our surface area will be equals to 17.92 centimeters square. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.